If transponder, 808,623. Operating voltage, 10, 28 volts DC. Quiescent current at 12 versus DC approximately 12 milliamperes. Current consumption, max, 120 milliamperes at 12 versus DC. Contact load relay, 30 volts DC, 1A. Ambient temperature, minus 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature, minus 25 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius. Air humidity, less than 95%. Type of protection, IP40, in housing. Weight, approximately 28 grams. Dimensions, W, 82 mm H, 72 mm D, 20 mm. Declaration of Performance, DOP 21057130701. Sounder, flasher, 807224RR. Operating voltage, 14, 42 versus DC, via powered loop. Quiescent current at 19 versus District of Columbia 55 μA. Quiescent current at FACP battery, approximately 300 microamperes at 42 volts. Load factor total, 4, 5*1, 10, 9. Connection terminal, max, 1, 5 square millimeters, 30 Aruban florins minus 14. Ambient temperature, minus 10 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature, minus 25 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius. Air humidity, less than 95%, non-condensing. Type of protection, IP43*2. IP56 with IP base 806202*3. Housing, polycarbonate plastic. Color, red, similar to RAL 3020. Calet, translucent, partially frost. Technical alarm module, 804868. Quiescent current at 19 volts DC, approximately 45 microamperes. Contact load relay, 30 volts DC, AC, 1A. Operation indicator, green LED. Alarm display, red LED. Connection terminal, max, 2.5 square millimeters, 26 Aruban florins minus 14. Application temperature, minus 20 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature, minus 30 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius. Air humidity, less than 95%. Type of protection, IP43, IP55 with cover 704965. Housing, PC, ASA plastic. Color, blue, similar to RAL 5015. Weight, approximately 110 grams. Dimensions, W, 88 mm H, 88 mm D, 21 mm. W, 88 mm H, 88 mm D, 57 mm with surface-mounted housing.